In a world where every advancement could tip the scales of power, military technologies have emerged as the vanguards of innovation. Today, on TCH Code TV, we embark on an expedition through the frontiers of defense, delving into the awe-inspiring realm of military technologies that have reached a new level. From the silent sentinels of unmanned drones to the precision-guided arsenal of next-gen weaponry, the battlefield has evolved into a theater of unparalleled sophistication. Join us as we unravel the mysteries behind these groundbreaking advancements, where each discovery not only reshapes the landscape of conflict, but also underscores the relentless pursuit of security and dominance. The Smash 3000 fire control system is a remarkable piece of technology. When attached to a small arms weapon, it enables precise targeting of drones, even at distances of up to 100 meters. With its accuracy, drones can be taken down with just one shot, especially larger targets. Even from 250 meters away, the Smash 3000 maintains its precision. Despite adding 740 grams to the weapon's weight, it remains user-friendly thanks to its high-resolution screen, allowing operation at any time of day. Moreover, the system offers more than just aiming assistance. It can also track targets, even amidst crowds or buildings. The Shadows 3, developed by Xan, is a helicopter-type patrol drone designed for versatility and portability. It can be conveniently packed into a backpack when disassembled. Yet once assembled, it can reach speeds of up to 100 km/h and operate for an impressive 100 minutes on a single charge. Its robust design enables it to handle winds of up to 17 meters per second and navigate side gusts effectively. With its IP55 protection, it is suitable for flying in challenging weather conditions, including rain and dust. This makes it a top choice for professionals like oil workers and rescuers, who often operate in adverse weather environments. Equipped with a searchlight and a camera featuring computer vision capabilities, the Shadow S3 offers enhanced functionality straight out of the box. The INVAR FATS 100 MIL system is a cutting-edge tool designed to assist military personnel in refining their shooting and weapons handling skills. Its advanced capabilities allow up to 15 individuals to use it simultaneously. Equipped with an array of 60 patented INVAR Blue Fire wireless weapons, instructors can closely monitor details such as trigger manipulation and grip pressure. If any discrepancies are detected, instructors can intervene and demonstrate the correct techniques. The simulator boasts a photorealistic landscape and over 9,000 3D models, offering a comprehensive training environment. Users have access to a range of preset scenarios and can also create custom ones. Advanced analytics powered by machine learning ensure that instructors can easily interpret data without feeling overwhelmed by indicators and report. Introducing the Bison, a versatile utility vehicle capable of hauling 4 tons of cargo. Equipped with autopilot and an obstacle detection module, it also features a landing pad for you, a V's. This compact yet powerful vehicle is perfect for tasks such as border control and firefighting. Powered by 2 electric motors with a combined output of 20 kilowatt, it's roughly the size of a small car. Operators can control the vehicle remotely from up to 30 kilometers away on a single charge, providing up to 8 hours of continuous operation over the same distance. Originally intended for sale to both civilian and military customers, the Bison UV offers a wide range of applications. Do you think the military could benefit from this type of technology? Joining the ranks of trusted defense equipment, the MIRA Safety C M8M gas mask is relied upon by foreign ministries and defense agencies worldwide. Priced at $325, this full-face tactical respirator provides comprehensive protection against a variety of threats, including toxic industrial chemicals, chemical warfare agents, biological agents, and even nuclear hazards. For instance, it offers effective defense against mustard gas for approximately 30 hours. With a shelf life of 20 years and utilizing 240mm NATO standard cartridges, the CM8EM ensures long-term readiness. It's compatible with telescopic sights, thermal imaging, and night vision devices, enhancing its versatility. Plus, it can be used with a single cartridge on either side for added convenience. While the Leopard 2 A4 tank may have been retired from service in Germany, it remains operational in various countries worldwide, from Canada to Indonesia. That's where the SJC L6P simulator comes into play. Tailored for tank drivers, this simulator allows them to adjust settings like weather and time of day, enhancing the realism of training sessions. Situated on a platform with 6 degrees of freedom, It meets NATO standards for communication tools. Instructors can closely monitor drivers' actions and conduct training sessions with multiple SJCL6Ps, while loaders can practice on a separate simulator. Let's talk brass catchers, each with its own unique features. The first is crafted using 3D printing technology, utilizing material akin to riot shields. Plus, its fabric section is interchangeable for added versatility. The second catcher is specifically designed for the Heckler & Koch 416 rifle, capable of holding up to 30 cases. Equipped with a zipper for easy ejection, it also reduces gases produced during firing. These catchers are invaluable for preventing cartridge cases from falling into the wrong hands. Boeing's MQ-25, unveiled last year, is gearing up for production as it's slated to enter service in just 2 years. Designed to carry 6,800 kg of fuel with a range of 926 km, it features a hose cone system for refueling, making it practical for deck-based aircraft operations. Its compact size is complemented by advanced equipment, and as an unmanned aerial vehicle, it boasts navigation and communication capabilities with ground vehicles beyond its primary role as a refueler. The Trophy Active Protection System, developed nearly 25 years ago, has continually evolved to stay ahead of threats. Recent upgrades include advanced electronic optical systems for all-round vision. With an interception rate exceeding 90%, it provides crucial protection for tanks such as the Merkava 4 and the M1A2 Abrams, using radar to track targets and control launchers with explosively formed projectiles. Trophy can even estimate enemy firing positions, enhancing battlefield awareness. Enter the Xaver Right, a marvel of technology enabling users to peer through walls and detect living objects from distances exceeding 100 meters. Weighing 19.5 kg, it's manageable by a single operator and features a user-friendly interface displayed on a 10-inch tablet. With memory capacity for 12 hours of recording, it excels in both urban and rural environments, offering simultaneous monitoring of static and moving targets with precision. As we conclude our journey through the realm of military technologies, it's evident that we stand at the precipice of a new era in defense. The innovations we've explored today mark not just advancements in technology, but also pivotal moments in the evolution of warfare. If you've been intrigued by the revelations shared on TCH Code TV, ensure to show your support by liking this video and subscribing for more insightful content. Spread the word about the remarkable strides in military technology by sharing this video with your friends and colleagues. Let your voice be heard in the comments section below, as we eagerly await your thoughts and questions. Thank you for joining us on this captivating exploration. Until next time, stay tuned to TCH Code TV for all your tech updates.